Hey everyone, my name is Shayna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. As you can see, I'm very pregnant. In this video, I'll show you how to turn an oversized t-shirt into a tank top, so stay tuned for the end results. When shopping for shirts, you want to get one that's oversized with good stretch. I got this shirt in 4XL from Zawful. The link to the shirt will be below. Turn your shirt inside out and lay it flat. Then you want to grab a tank top you already own and a dress to use for your outline. I got this dress that cinches in the waist because we all like to look a bit snatched. I left the length of the shirt because I'm pregnant and I wanted to cover my entire belly, but you can make the shirt as short or as long as you like. I used a measuring tape that wasn't needed. You just want to make sure you have seam allowance for future sewing projects. I prefer a rotary cutter over scissors because it doesn't shift the fabric around and it cuts so clean and quickly. But you are more than welcome to use fabric scissors if you have that instead. Next, take the sewing pins. The link to these will be down below. Pin both the top and bottom bits together and go along the side of the top. Take your time. Make sure they line up evenly, there's no rush. Once you finish, sew them together. I am no pro to a sewing machine. I did a zigzag stitch to give the fabric flexibility and stretch because I'm pregnant. I personally sewed over each side twice for durability. I haven't learned how to make a double stitch on my machine yet. I also removed the pins as I got closer so I don't break my machine or the needle. The link to the sewing machine that I'm using will be down below. Now you want to pin around the underarms. Do not pin them together for obvious reasons. Fold the fabric a centimeter down and pin along the entire opening, then sew a straight stitch down the folds of each arm opening. Remember to remove the pins as you go to avoid breaking your sewing needle. Like I said before, take your time. This is my first time ever making a top of my own, so if I can do it, literally anyone can do it. Nothing is ever perfect the first, second, or even the third time. But practice and effort will definitely deliver great rewards. Like this amazing top you'll be able to say that you created. This is also my second time ever using a sewing machine since making my son's pack and play mattress. I'll pin that video above, and if you're interested, go check it out. Once I got to the end, I did a reverse stitch to keep the thread in place. Repeat on both sides. And ta-da! Yes, you did that. You made your very own tank top, and it's only the beginning of many more creations. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.